Hello guys, ito yung ingredients ng ating recipe for today. Ito yung ating steamed bean curd or tofu with minced pork. So of course, meron yung minced pork natin ay minarinate natin ng light soy sauce, sugar, cornstarch, white pepper powder, tapos konting cooking oil. And then of course, gagamit tayo ng minced garlic at sibuyas para sa ating panggisa sa ating karne. And then ang ating sauce is oyster sauce at konting sugar. And then of course, gagamit tayo ng mantika. So, iluluto muna natin yung ating minced pork. So, ayan, magsaute muna tayo ng sibuyas. Then, ang ating bawang. Then, ilagay na natin yung ating minced pork. Then, lutuin natin hanggang sa mag-light brown yung karne. So, ayan, nilagyan ko ng konting tubig para papakuluan natin para maluto siya ng maayos. So, ayan, after 5 minutes, ayan, mag-add na tayo ng ating oyster sauce at konting sugar. And then, imimix natin yung ating minced pork. Then, segregate muna natin. Then, steam natin yung ating bean curd ng 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, ilagay na natin yung ating minced pork sa ibabaw. And then, mag-add na tayo ng ating spring onions. Ayan, so, ready to serve na po yung ating steamed bean curd with minced pork. Thank you for watching. God bless.